Hey guys, it's Miley here, Space Unicorns, but I'm showing you my slimes. And today I have 5 slimes. The next video is going to be me making a slime, okay? But for now, it's my slime collection. So, there's going to be music on, so you can't hear anything like the poking, but do you like my hand? Thanks if you do. Comment down below if you do, and the would you rather of today is, would you rather eat snake tongues or worms? Please comment down below and subscribe and like. So I'll see you soon with my slimes. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back, and I'm gonna start with my least favorite to most favorite slimes. Bye.
For a baby, all on her own, no one will come. She's got to save him. Daily struggle. She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. Stay up there. She tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to say. Stay up there. Stay up there. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby. Don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby. Don't you cry. Rock-a-bye. Out there, facing the hard life without no fear. Just see and know that you really care, cause any obstacle come you well prepare. And no mama, you never shed tear, cause you have to set things year after year. And you give the youth love beyond compare. You find the school fee and the bus fare. Already pops disappear. In a wrong bar, can't find him nowhere. Steadily your workflow, everything you know, so you're not stop, no time for your dear. Now she got a 6-year-old, trying to keep him warm, trying to keep all the gold. When he looks in her eyes, he don't know he is safe when she says, ooh, love.
So guys, I'm actually going to mix 2 slimes together right now, but only a little bit of them, okay? Okay. So I'm going to turn back on music.
All of my love, nobody matters like you. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby. Don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby. Don't you cry. Bang, bang, bang. All right then. Keep him warm, trying to keep out the cold. When he looks in her eyes, he don't know he is safe when she says, she tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever.
So guys, I mixed the slimes. Do they look okay? Now they're almost like a dull color. It's ugly, it's not pretty. So actually, I am going to, if you guys comment down below, I will actually choose someone to make a slime with me. Okay? So make sure you comment down below, and you will actually get to make a slime with me. I'm pretty sure you'll like it. I don't know. But please comment down below and share and like. Do all that stuff, because I have had no followers and no comments for my 2 first videos because they weren't the best. So please comment down below, follow, share, whatever you guys do, and just please show me your love and likes, okay?